Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term MF. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, MF is an abbreviation often used as a vulgar intensifier or insult. People use it when they want to emphasize anger or toughness. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. MF first showed up in the 20th century African American Vernacular English. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people and in hip hop culture. Now let's check out how to use MF in a sentence. Correct example 1. He called his rival an MF during the heated game yesterday. Correct example 2. I can't believe that MF cut in line again. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said MF at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using MF right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. MF means an abbreviation often used as a vulgar intensifier or insult. It started in 20th century African American Vernacular English, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with MF in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.